All right, we are on row 12 and I'm picking up my yarn to start. And here you can see the ridge created by the unworked back loop from the previous row. Starting at the beginning of the round, I'm going to insert my hook into that back loop as shown. And since I'm starting with a new piece of yarn, the first thing I'm going to do, leaving a tail, is do a yarn over and then pull that yarn over through the first loop on the hook. Now I'm ready to start with my chain one, so I'm going to do a yarn over, a chain one,
Thanks. Have a good one,
and
guys.
then do 18 single crochets in this round, 1 single crochet in each stitch. I'm at the end of round 12 and I'm now slip stitching into the chain one at the beginning of the round. So now I'm starting row 13 and we're going to be doing decreases in this row. I start with a chain one and then 1 single crochet and then single crochet 2 together, and I am going to repeat the single crochet and single crochet 2 together until the end of the row for a total of 12 stitches. Here I'm doing a single crochet 2 together, and we start off like a normal single crochet, but here we insert our hook into the second stitch, do a yarn over and pull through, and then do a yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. So I'm going to speed through the rest of this round. At the end of the round you will have 12 stitches and you're going to finish it off with a slip stitch like all the other previous rounds. And then we will go to row 14. 14, and then this is just one single crochet in each stitch for a total of 12. Hello. Alrighty, we are almost done with row 14. I'm going to slip stitch to the first chain 1 at the beginning of the row. Once you're done with this step, meet me in the next video. We're going to be starting the gills of the mushroom. See you there.